What's going on YouTube? It's Mahogany here, and I have a review, sneaker review for the 2018 Jordan 11 Concords. Now these are one of the most anticipated sneaker releases of the year to finish off the year strong. What makes these so iconic, just to state, was not only that Jordan hooped in them in the '95 series for Game 1, but the fact that he wore these joints in the movie Space Jam. So created a lot of hype. I think these joints released back in 2011 too. I still do have a pair, but one thing I did notice about them for this year's was the box. The box is different now. You know what I'm saying? Got that Jordan logo right there. And you got the Nike on the back. So these jumps, what I would assume, why they didn't keep the traditional box, they would put like the 23 on it, and then you would have the the wrap inside, Tinker Made 'em Fly, like you would have all that with the originals. These, I think, because he put the 45 on the heel tab, for that reason, it might be why they chose a different box. I mean, it wouldn't make sense to put the 23 if it's not going to be on the heel tab one, and you're going with a new style. So other than that, though, they're pretty much, same sneaker. Jumpman, got the 45 on the back heel tab right there. Nice patent leather going on right here. That icy blue sole, Concord on the soles. You know what I'm saying? All in all, I think this is a very dope sneaker. It's pretty much, I love 11s. My personal favorite. I'm just waiting for them to do the cool grays again. I mean, he's been slipping on the cool grays. The breads are coming out next year, but these joints right here, you know what I'm saying, it kind of caught me off guard at first. The only thing I would probably say, me personally, I'm more the OG person. I like the 23 on the back. I don't really like the 45 too much, but you know what I'm saying, not bad. All in all, it's a good sneaker. It's very dope. If you picked them up, they made like 1 million pairs, so it wasn't a hard cop. But you know what I'm saying? I think that they did well this year. They did well this year. We got the infrareds coming next year. It's gonna be a dope year for sneakers. So again, I just want to do y'all a quick review. I might pull the old ones back out and do like a comparison for the 2011 joints that I had. But thank y'all for checking this out. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Again, my name's Mahogany. I'm gonna leave my socials in the comments. So follow me up. If you have any more questions, let me know.